Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Anika and I'm back again with another video. I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this look, and if you want to see how I achieved this look, please keep on watching. So the first thing I'm using is my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn to, conceal my eyelids to prep for eyeshadow. And I'm using my Neutrals 2 palette by Makeup Revolution. I'm going in with that dark color, and we're just gonna put it all over the eye and buff it out to make it look cute. Sing. And then I'm using my Revolution Pro concealer. I'll leave the link in the description box as well, to cut my crease. And we're just gonna cut it cute. I'm sorry if you could hear the birds in the back. But yeah, then we're just gonna set it with the setting powder. Then I'm going in with another color on top, and I think you can kind of see where this is going, so I'm just gonna let you watch. So next we're going in with our LA Girl Pro foundation in the color Creamy Cocoa, I think. And we're just gonna apply that all over our face. And I already did my eyebrows. I did it for eyebrow tutorial that I'll be posting. I don't know if you will see before this one or after this video. But yeah, so I did my eyebrow tutorial. Killing two birds with one stone. And we're just gonna honestly pat that in. I don't swipe my foundation on, I just pat it in. And my skin is just acting up, breaking out. So yeah, right now I'm actually taking a break from makeup for a while. So anyways, I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. I actually ordered this on Beauty Babe, and I really like how it is. It's very easy to blend, and it's creamy. It's not patchy at all, and I just really like it. I'm actually just fanning my face so that it could set a little bit in the skin, and then spraying it with some Fix and Spray from Makeup Revolution. Then I'm going in with my Diamonds Beauty Blender and blending it under my eye so that it could be flawless, period. And we're gonna repeat that on the whole face. Now we are going to set our under eye concealer, forehead concealer, and all the other concealers. And we're just gonna take a good amount and press that in under our eye so that it can prevent the creasing. So that's what I'm doing. And I don't apply a lot of under eye concealer, honestly. I just pat it in and then take a brush. I don't know what brush this is, but I just take a brush and just really pat it into my skin so that it could, not get patchy, and also give it a soft finish. And we're gonna repeat that for the rest of our face. And yeah. So next I'm going to take my bronzer. This is the Glow and MUA bronzer in the color Golden Dunes. I don't contour anymore. I just I don't know, I don't really like the contouring look anymore. And I just take that, the bronzer, and I also go in with my Velvet Rose palette and take those two colors that I showed and darken up my bronzer and give me like a softer contour and a warmer contour. I think that's why I don't really contour anymore, because it gave me like this cool harsh look and I didn't like it. So now my favorite part, I'm using my NYX matte liquid eyeliner and I'm just lining my eyes. I really love this eyeliner. I got it off of Amazon and I'm just like, I'm still getting the hang of it. You know, I'm still getting used to it, because honestly it's a very fine brush and it's kind of hard to manipulate, but you will get the hang of it, especially if you know how to do your eyeliner already. Then it shouldn't be much of a problem or a hassle. So yeah, I'm just lining my, you know, I love my long wing eyeliner, so that's what I'm doing. Just give myself a beautiful wing liner. And yeah, so my favorite part next to eyeliner is also mascara. I'm using my Maybelline New York Voluptuous Mascara in the color black. And honestly, guys, I go in with my mascara because my eyelashes are so short and I love having like long eyelashes. So yeah, and it's awesome for your bottom lashes. Like, it makes it so long and so popping. So anyways, we're going in with our Makeup Revolution Rose Quartz highlighter. One of my favorite highlighters. Is so soft and so skin like. It's not harsh, you know, and it's really great. So I'm just going in with that. I'm going ham on it. Ham. All the high points of my face, my nose, my cupid's bow, my brow bone, my cheekbones, my forehead, everywhere. I'm going ham. For my lips, I don't really do anything like spontaneous. Honestly, I don't really like a extra lip. I just love subtleness. So I'm going in with my dark brow pencil from, I think it's Ellie Girl, and we're just gonna, you know, I applied like a clear lip gloss at first, but then I went in with my Sheer Brilliance lip gloss in Chauffeur by Makeup Revolution. And yeah, that's it. Me being clumsy, setting my face with the Rose Fizz Setting Spray by Makeup Revolution. I'm also giving myself some molds, so yeah, already now, Poppington. So that's it for the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I, you know, didn't feel like putting on eyelashes, so I just didn't do that. Didn't feel like going through that whole process. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Let me know what other makeup tips you would like for me to do, and I'll do them for you. I'll leave all my social media sites in the description down below and on the screen. I also have some videos I would like you guys to go check out. I'll leave them at the end of this video and in the description box down below. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.